Hey there, welcome to my room at the Westgate NY Grand Central. Come on in. This is one of their Luxe 2 double bedrooms. Once you enter the main hallway, to the right is the bedroom, where there is a large desk with a coffee maker filled with La Colombe coffee. There's a flat screen TV. Before getting to the 2 double beds, and in between the beds is where the mini fridge is. Now let's head to the other side of the room. Right before the bathroom is a double door closet with a safe, robe, and slippers. The bathroom has plenty of counter space with great lighting and a standing shower. Now let's check out the rest of the property. This historic Hotel of America is located on 42nd and 2nd in the heart of Tudor City and is in great proximity to the top New York City sites. Down in the spacious lobby is where the Tudor City Tavern is to grab a drink, which is alongside the market where you can grab breakfast and snacks for your busy day ahead. And lastly, below the lobby is where there's a fully equipped gym. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Westgate NY Grand Central with me. For more information, check out the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.